Hi everyone. I am very happy you are here with me today. We will practice English together in a fun and powerful way. Today, I will tell you a story called The Secret Inside the Library. This story is about a quiet girl named Kavya. She finds a secret room in her school library, and what she discovers there changes her life forever. We will use the shadowing technique. I will read one sentence, then you repeat after me. Please copy my voice, my speed, and my pronunciation. Try to speak like my shadow. Are you ready? Let us start the story.
My name is Kavya. I am 16 years old. I go to a small school in a quiet town. I don't talk much. I sit at the back of the classroom. During lunch, I read books while the other students laugh and play. I don't have many friends. Most people say I am strange. They think I am too quiet, too shy. But that's fine with me. I feel safe when I am alone. My favorite place in the school is the library. It's big and silent. The shelves are full of old books, and the smell of paper makes me feel calm. Sometimes, I feel like the books are the only friends I really have. One afternoon, during lunch break, I walk into the library as usual. I expect to see the librarian, Mr. Sen, sitting at his desk. But today, the desk is empty. That never happens. Mr. Sen is always there. The room feels different. It's too quiet. I walk slowly between the bookshelves. Then I hear something. A soft whisper. It's coming from the back of the library, behind the last row of books. I feel nervous but curious. My heart starts beating faster. I follow the sound. At the back of the library, I see something strange. There's a small wooden door hidden behind an old curtain and some dusty books. I've never seen this door before. I touch the door and push it gently. It creaks open. Behind the door, there's a dark spiral staircase going down. I don't know why, but I step inside. I feel scared, but something inside me tells me to go. I take a deep breath and begin to walk down the stairs. The steps are made of cold stone. The air is heavy and still. I touch the wall with one hand to keep my balance. After a long walk, I reach the bottom. There's a room. A secret room. It's small and round, with old candles on the walls and strange paintings on the stone. In the center of the room, there's a wooden table. On the table sits a large black book. The book looks ancient. It's covered in dust. I walk closer. On the cover, there is only one word written in silver. The word is answers. I slowly open the book. The pages are filled with names, dates, and questions. The questions are strange, deep, and personal. One says, "Why do I always feel cold?" Another says, "Why do I forget her face?" And another says, "What is inside me?" Each question has an answer written below it in neat, glowing letters. Then I see my name, my own name, Kavya. I stop breathing for a moment. My hands begin to shake. Below my name, there is a question. The question says, "What are you truly afraid of?" I feel fear rise in my chest. I don't want to know the answer. I slam the book shut. I turn and run back up the stairs. I don't stop until I reach the library again. My heart is racing. My head is full of questions. I leave school without speaking to anyone. That night, I can't sleep. I lie in bed and stare at the ceiling. The question keeps coming back to me. What am I truly afraid of? And how did the book know my name? The next day, I return to the library. Mr. Sen is back at his desk. He smiles at me but says nothing. I walk past him and return to the back of the library. The small door is still there. I open it and go down the stairs again. The secret room has not changed. The book is still there, waiting. I open it to the same page. My name is still there. So is the question. But now, something new has appeared. An answer. The answer says, being seen. I stare at those words. I feel something heavy inside my chest. I read it again. Being seen. It's true. I always hide. I stay quiet. I sit alone. I never speak up. I am afraid of people looking at me. I am afraid they won't like what they see. My hands fall into my lap. My eyes fill with tears. For the first time, I feel someone understands me. This book understands me. After that, I visit the room again and again. Each time, there are new names and questions. Every question feels honest. Every answer feels true. One day, I read a question from someone else. It says, "Why do people forget me?" On another day, I read, "Why do I feel empty all the time?" I begin to understand something. I am not the only one who feels lost. Many students carry pain in silence. Many are hiding, just like me. The book is not just a book. It is a mirror. It shows people the truth they do not want to say aloud. Then one day, I open the book and find a message just for me. It says, "You must help others now." I feel nervous. Me? Help others? But I understand. I have changed. The book helped me. Now, it's my turn. The next day at school, I raise my hand in class. I give an answer. Everyone turns to look at me. I feel afraid. But then something amazing happens. One student begins to clap. Then another. Soon the whole class is smiling. After class, a girl named Ria walks over. She says she is proud of me. She says she always knew I was smart. My heart feels light. That afternoon, a boy named Arjun comes to me. He looks worried. He asks if he can talk to me. I take him to the back of the library. I open the small door and lead him down the stairs. When he sees the black book, he is quiet. He opens it. His name is there. He reads his question. He reads the answer. His eyes fill with tears. I sit beside him. I do not speak. I just sit there. Sometimes silence is enough. After that day, more students come. Not all of them can see the door. Only those who are ready. I still don't know where the book came from. I don't know who built the room, but I know the book is real. And I know the book tells the truth. It saved me. It showed me who I really am. Now, it helps others too. And I am not afraid anymore. That is the end of our story, the secret inside the library. Did you enjoy it? This story showed us that sometimes the biggest fear is letting others see the real you. But when you are brave, amazing things can happen. Thank you for practicing English with me today. Keep using the shadowing technique every day. Even 10 minutes can help you speak better and more confidently. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss another story. See you next time. Goodbye.